Ever pondered the process of creating a Facebook account? Well, today, that mystery unfolds. Initiating this journey requires a device with internet connectivity, be it a smartphone, a tablet, or a computer. Open a web browser, or if on a mobile device, download the Facebook app from the respective app store. Type www.facebook.com into the search bar and hit enter. A page emerges, inviting new users to create a new account. This is where the adventure truly begins. Click on Create a New Account and a form will pop up, awaiting your personal details. First, input your first and last name. Remember, using your real name helps friends and family find and connect with you. Next, provide either your mobile number or email address. This information remains private and helps secure your account, so don't fret. Now it's time to set a password. Make it unique and hard to guess to keep your account safe from prying eyes. Then select your birth date. Facebook requires all users to be at least 13 years old. Finally, choose your gender. Facebook offers a range of options for this, including custom for those who prefer not to identify with traditional gender categories. After filling the form, click on the Sign Up button. Voila! You've now initiated the creation of your Facebook account. But wait, there's one more step. Facebook will send a verification code to the email address or mobile number provided. Enter this code to confirm that you are indeed the person creating this account. Once verified, congratulations, you now have a Facebook account. To recap, the journey started by opening the Facebook homepage, then filled out the Create a New Account form with personal details. A unique password was set and the form was submitted. Finally, the account was verified using a code sent by Facebook to the provided email or mobile number. And there you have it, the puzzle of creating a Facebook account solved. Now, the world of social networking is at your fingertips, ready to be explored. Enjoy the ride!